Richard Hammond is one of the three famous hosts of BBC Top Gear and The Grand Tour. Being a car enthusiast and an automotive journalist, it's no surprise he has a massive car collection comprising classic cars, sports cars, and SUVs. Apart from cars, he also owns a slew of motorcycles and likes to restore classic cars and bikes. But recently, he had to sell a big chunk of his collection to fund his restoration work. Thus today we bring you the latest car in his collection worth more than $2 million. In this video we are going to show top most expensive cars in Richard Hammond's cars collection. Number 1. 2020 Morgan Plus 6. This vehicle was made after the discontinuation of Morgan Plus 8. This car is equipped with a turbo inline-6 engine that is capable of producing a power of 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet. It is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The car can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds and can reach a top speed of 165 miles per hour. Number 2. 2013 Porsche 911 GT3. This Porsche is equipped with 4.0L naturally aspirated flat 6, which makes a power output of 503 horsepower and 346 pound-feet of torque. This car has an acceleration time of 3.4 seconds to reach from 0 to 60 miles per hour and can achieve a top speed of 199 miles per hour. It costs $162,450. Number 3. 2006 Porsche 911 Carrera S. He loves driving Porsche, and this car comes with a 3.8-liter flat-6 engine that is capable of generating a maximum power output of 355 horsepower at 6,600 revolutions per minute and 295 pound-feet at 4,600 revolutions per minute. This vehicle can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds and can reach a top speed of 180 miles per hour. The starting price of this car is $81,400. Number 4. 2016 Ford Mustang Convertible. This 2016 Ford has a 3.7-liter V6 engine that is capable of generating a power output of 300 horsepower and 280 pound-feet of torque. This could reach a top speed of 155 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.7 seconds. It is priced at $35,500. Number 5. Ferrari 550 Marinello. This Ferrari is powered by a 5.5-liter V12 engine that is capable of producing a maximum power output of 478 HP and 568 Newton-meters of torque. Its top speed is 199 miles per hour and can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds. Number 6. 2009 Lamborghini Gallardo LP 564 Spider. This car has a 5.2-liter V10 engine that can generate a power output of 560 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute. This can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds and has a top speed of 201 miles per hour. It costs $260,000 for this all-black Lamborghini. Number 7. 2009 Aston Martin DBS Volante. This vehicle is equipped with a 5.2-liter V12 engine that is capable of generating a power output of 715 horsepower and 663 pound-feet of torque. This can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds and has a top speed of 211 miles per hour. It costs $316,500. Number 8. 2015 Porsche 911 GT3 RS PDK. This Porsche has a 4.0-liter flat-6 naturally aspirated engine that can generate a maximum power output of 500 horsepower and 339 pound-feet of torque. It takes 3.6 seconds to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour, and it has a top speed of 193 miles per hour. Hammond had this for a few years and put it in an auction. Number 9. 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT8. Hammond happened to buy this car because of a Top Gear. In an episode of Season 12, everyone traveled in their muscle cars across America, but Hammond doesn't have one with him, so he bought this Dodge Challenger SRT8. Keeping the performance aside, this car looks stunning in the orange color. It has a starting price of $37,320. This car is equipped with a 6.4-liter V8 engine under the hood, which is capable of producing a power output of just over 300 bhp. This became such a famous car because of the movie Bullitt, which was released in 1968. And the fact is that the car that starred in the movie was sold for $3.4 million at an auction. Number 10. 1968 Ford Mustang GT3 This car is equipped with a 6.4-liter V8 engine under the hood, which is capable of producing a power output of just over 300 bhp. This became such a famous car because of the movie Bullitt, which was released in 1968. And the fact is that the car that starred in the movie was sold for $3.4 million at an auction. Number 11. Subaru Impreza WRX STI. Richard Hammond's 2003 Subaru Impreza WRX STI V Limited, on the other hand, has already been bought by no other than Hammond himself. This is the latest addition in his garage. Subaru Impreza WRX STI. Join our YouTube family and be the first to watch our latest content.